All right, so the first step to any roofing project is to set up all of our safety equipment, block off anything around the ground where people might be walking in and out. Obviously, we got to keep the guys that are on the roof safe. We also have to keep people that might be walking around the ground safe. So to that end, some of the personal protective equipment that we're mandated to use by OSHA, so we're going to be using ropes and harnesses. So this is a harness right here. So it essentially goes over your shoulders, straps around your legs, and then has this lanyard on the back that actually hooks into a rope. So when you attach this to the rope, you see it has this bungee section in it. If you were to fall off the roof, this bungee section would expand and arrest that fall, and keep you obviously from hitting the ground, and then would come fish you back up onto the roof after that. Hopefully it doesn't happen, but obviously better deal than hitting the ground. Also, for your personal protective equipment, you're going to be wanting to wear a hard hat, especially when you're on the ground. We do want our guys wearing those up on the roof as well, even though obviously they're above any fall hazard, but just to be in the habit of always wearing it, so when they go on the ground, they're not trying to remember to put it on. That way it's always on when it needs to be on. So we're going to wear our hard hats. Again, in the controlled environment, I'm probably not going to wear this hard hat. What I will wear is the safety glasses. So I will have safety glasses on as I'm specifically operating the nail gun. So any of the barbs and the nails, if you get a jam, you can get a ricochet. I have had a ricochet nail hit my eye when I was much younger. It is a terrible experience. So want to make sure that we're protecting our eyes. And then further from that, I mean, obviously sun protection, anything like that to keep from getting sunburnt, and to try to protect ourselves from the elements as well. We will also, in some cases, use scaffolding depending on the scenario. So you'll actually have, boards along the bottom for guys to walk on and stage material on and stuff like that. Again, we won't need any of that in our controlled training environment. But we will use a combination or all of the above on any given roofing project to keep everybody safe.